Hello everyone, I'm Nora. Welcome to Ningbo ONEREEL. These are all our products. Today, I will introduce a new product called Wire Basket Spool BS300. We have many kinds of color, like yellow, black, blue, white, and orange. The color also can produce as customers' requirements. And then, I will introduce the specification of this spool. It is made of 40 mm diameter copper drawn steel wire. The outside diameter is 300 mm. The whole diameter is 52 mm. And the outside width is 100 mm. It can take up to 18 kilograms wire weight. The strength of the basket and the plastic coating prevents breakage and the damage to the wooden welding wire during transportation. It is designed for layer welding, which offers better productivity and economy. Suitable for layer welding copper-coated, stainless steel and FCAW welding wires. That's all for today's introduction. See you next video. Bye-bye.